my parables, paragraphs, and MC Paradine. The world is my stage, the stage presence for everyone. Let it rain, let it rain. Let the gutter be the book you never wrote. Let the bottle be the drawbridge and mold. All this is soaked in the deep depths of dynamics. All we ask is 2 ears and a
Developmental lyricists presented for your listening pleasure. Quadruple phonetic spitters in 2x10 measures. Profess my confession. I long for this profession, presently near this art form, made accessible for those who want to hear us. Interlock hands to a sound intake device through a filter. Constructing a progression rhythm sections, painstakingly built are injections.
Dude.
Overwhelming to soul.
What up?
Making your physical structure appear quite shoddy. Assembling, slowly pick apart your sound taste. Deconstructing, charting the profile by the wall you're forced to face and conclude that your thirst is quenched by deep puddles. Hey yo, this shit is dope. But our conversation
Yo, I got something even better. I got some acid. Take 2.
As far as I'm concerned, this group is number 1, and who knew that using my brain could be so much fun?
7-4, pleasantly demented, stuck right as a few folds short of a paper airplane. Decided to sit in grain, paint their faces and beat leaves like green turned upside down in the wind. Finally, someone to clap for this toxic hermit grins, especially mineral a globe over and back to scratch. Drizzle in the balmy sky, it's time to filter in the cosmos, Milky Way style. Say it like I mean it, and ease my hot head into where have you been my whole life. Come on guys, let's play the side. Shoot branch, offshoot branch, but hee giggle the chillin'. Whose side? Hands folded, pencil sharpened, waiting patiently for quality birdseed and really good camp counselors who know lots of big words. Once in a while, it's fun to be smart and play with matches on the dark side of the cock bang yawn drummer. Get wicked, smaller rock, and the larger ones all be confused. So with the prostitutes, gird, platypuses, and grandparents found by me, I'm a hydrogen molecule and proud of it. Let it rain, 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 let it rain,
let it rain. Let the gutter be the book you never wrote. Let the bottle be the drawbridge and mold. All this is soaked in the deep depths of dynamics. All we ask is 2 ears and a planet.
Making it rain, making it rain.
Is it hot in here? Much better, dude.
To go on the street and catch out in my face and like feel good. There's a date to go according. I wish could be a bad thing. My mouth is just a measure of truth. Standing on the bridge, I won't get me from up high and talk to fishman's as she knows. I want to be an reporter, but never need
something in here. Film this fucking duck.